What's up guys, I'm Misako Rocks. Today, let's draw Angie from Double Trouble, Lost in Japan, Bounce Back Volume 4. Okay, so this is a guideline. So she got really positive smile and peace sign too. I want to show you. Okay, let's start drawing her energetic eyelid. Okay, so go like this. This character, I really enjoyed designing. And I already knew, when I was making a bounce back one, I already knew, know what I wanted to, I kind of like had an order in my head, bounce back 1, 2, 3, 4, what kind of a story I should just draw and who's going to be the next main character, stuff like that. And definitely these twin girls, the one I was thinking of for this bounce back volume 4, Double Trouble, Lost in Japan. This one, because Angie's a if you read it already, bounce back 1 or 2, you know what kind of a girl she is. She's pretty. She got the strong personality compared to her sister. More like a much calm. And maybe, yeah, she's a warrior. Kiara. And both of these characters are based on kids or people I know. Okay, go like this. Kind of like that. Ooh, look at that. So the key is these eyelashes. These two eyelashes are really important for these twin girls. That's how I was showing their personalities. And plus, yeah, maybe a little thicker eyebrows compared to other characters. Okay, like this. And her nose is more close to her right eye because of the face angle. And we're gonna start drawing her playful smile. This smile shows up a lot. Double Trouble. To be honest, I think when she smiles like this, you might want to watch out. Yeah. You know, right? Do you know that kind of people? I do. She's slightly, kind of used a little bit of part of me from middle school, kind of, and maybe 10% of me in there. Yeah. Okay. Then we're gonna tilt it a little bit. And let's draw her face line, start right there. Cheek sticks up. And the bounce back characters, intentionally what I did is I made them much more oversized, expressive eyes. Because I wanted to show these twin characters. They got energy. They are curious about everything. And positivity, those are kind of a key in my books. So that's why. Okay, speaking of, I have to explain her hairstyle. So these twin girls, I want to show her forehead a little bit, and bangs starts like that, and the side hair. I want this side hair a little longer. And also she has maybe top two-thirds of it, it's going to be her hair color, which is more kind of a reddish brown. And then she has this neon, kind of a pink, sort of not the highlight, but yeah, 1/3 of it, it's going to be neon pink. Yeah, she's pretty expressive, even with her hair, you know who she is. Yeah, that's the character. And I wanted to show the big difference between those twin girls. So that's why I definitely changed hair color of Angie. Okay, go here. Sometimes it's funny, since they're my original characters, I'm kind of extra careful because I can't mess up. Okay, this is good. Then let's start drawing pigtail from here. So let's start drawing Hair goes up, up, up. And at the same time, I want to start thinking of really nice round head shape. I think this is great. I'm going to go up a little bit. And then start not too many different lengths of layers for her hair. It's more like everything kind of long, but kind of a skinny hairs layering up. That was the kind of style of her hair, okay? Go like this. Hey, cute. And then let's draw this side. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit up like that. And then I'm gonna start drawing her here like this. And short hair a little bit. And then long pigtail here. Right. Okay. And I want to go a little more go like that. So it kind of got messy over there. Okay. Now I'm going to go a little up, okay? Neck. This section is a little awkward here. Okay, here. And I'm going to show you just a more simple casual t-shirt today. Go like this, okay? And a t-shirt neckline. But this shoulder is going up because she got peace sign right next to her pigtail. And then this side is, just keep it simple. Here. Okay, like this. And her arm. And this t-shirt, actually she's wearing it in a book. So this book is the one I always wanted to make it. Even ever since I was a kid, I wanted to make some sort of like a characters traveling with a bunch of, with the friends. Because when I was even, hold on, let's draw. I should stop talking about nonsense. Sorry about that. Okay, here. No, this is good. The top sleeve, nice. And then we're going to start drawing actually her front body line first. Yeah, I think nice. And then let's draw here. Good. And then go like that. And then can you draw her? I'm going to tilt that a little bit. Here. If you do the guideline already, it's sort of like you can kind of guess how it looks like. So here, the elbows are around here, okay? And the elbows are pointy. Unfortunately, I don't have that much space, but kind of like this, okay? And I want her here to wear kind of a wristband. Got so messy. Sorry about that. But it's still, I'm gonna make it really cute. Then let's start drawing a happy sign. I'm going to draw a little bigger than normal, so it might be easier for you to see. Here, go like this. And from here, I want her thumb bent, lines like that. And then from this side, index finger, it's going to be bunny ears, okay? From oval shape, sticking up bunny ear like this. And then ring finger bent in, pinky, little smaller, a little down there, right there. And then you're gonna draw the rest of it. And then let's draw a paw line too. Okay, here we go. Whoa, here. And I want to erase pencil lines and we're gonna start coloring. Okay, let's go. If you love kawaii manga, you will love my new middle grade graphic novel, Double Trouble, Lost in Japan, Bounce Back Volume 4. This time, main characters are twin sisters, Angie and Akira. They're going to travel to Japan with Bounce Back characters. They're going to explore Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. This fun adventure is packed with kawaii stuff, Japanese pop culture, friendship drama, and lots of excitement. Scan a QR code to pre-order your copy. Now, let's get back to the video. Okay, so these are gonna be color samples for Angie today. Tons of like reddish kind of brown skin tone and a pink. If you have a really strong neon pink tone, that would be great. Okay, so let's start coloring her skin and hair first. Okay, let's go. Alright, so the skin tone is pretty much easy. I want to just color, right? And her hair, I want to add brown up to, yeah, 2/3 of it, 2/3 of top, it's going to be pink, not pink, sorry, brown. So if I sort of like add a line in a way, this part is going to be pink, 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 okay? And I want to add, I want to color with brown top. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so now we are going to start adding pink from a bottom, okay? And so I want to have a little bit of white space between brown and a pink. That's gonna look like shiny spot. So I want to create that here. Okay, and more here too. Like this. Wow, this is really bright. Yeah. So cute. Nice. Then let's add her eye color inside. Nice warm brown. Okay. Then we're going to use medium warm, little darker than first one. Half of it top, dark brown. Okay, compared to the first layer, I meant. And then I want to use pencil, or like if you're already inking, like a black pen, I want to go little, like can you add a much more black extra line underneath this outline of her eye? Okay, that would be great. That's gonna add more drama. Okay, this is nice. Ooh, and then let's add a rosy cheek. Here. Since I kind of messed up this lines, I'm gonna make wristbands a little much darker, navy blue, so it doesn't look that bad, right? Good. Then I'm using a mink tone because I like this mink tone, and I'm gonna show you this specific style of a t-shirt. So line here, 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 like this. Do you see? And then that's gonna color here. I'll leave it white. Okay. So this t-shirt, they are wearing. Wait, are they? Yeah, now I'm getting confused, but I think they are. I think they are wearing Bounce Back Full, Double Trouble. If they didn't, let me know. I thought, but somebody's wearing. Somebody's wearing, okay? Okay, super cute. So I'm going to write it down her name, maybe on the top, and Angie here. Okay, right here, right there. You ready? And then let's write down bounce back in Japanese. So Angie, bounce back here. Okay, first her name. Go like this. Hi. One. I'm gonna slowly go down here. Two. This is a. 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 2 dots, hyphen, Angie. And bounce back. That's how we say. Right? Here we go. Hi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Bounce. Ba. I'm going to have a little small one right there. Bounce back. Okay, so cute. Here we go. We drew Angie from Double Trouble, Lost in Japan. Yay! Ta-da! Yay, we finished. Look at that. This expressive pigtails. I love this hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. And if you have more requests, write it down here. Okay, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Arigato. I'm gonna see you next video and enjoy reading my books. Yay! One more thing, take a look at my book collection, my graphic novel series, Bounce Back, and activity book series, How to Draw Kawaii Manga. Arigato!